Today we're learning how to divide fractions. So dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions. There's just one step that's a little bit different. So we're going to make some practice problems over here. If I have this as my division problem, 3/5 divided by 4/7. To do a division problem, you must first find the reciprocal. And we're going to find it of the second number. It doesn't really matter which number you find it for. I usually find it for the second one, but you can do it however you would like. So I'm going to find the reciprocal of the second number. The reciprocal is a big word for the flipped fraction. So we're going to rewrite our problem underneath. 3/5, and my reciprocal is 7/4. That's all I did. I moved the denominator up to the numerator and the numerator down to the denominator. And so because I have the opposite of 4/7, which is 7/4, I'm going to perform the opposite of division, which is multiplication. And now I multiply across. You can still ask yourself that same question. Do you feel lucky? Well, do 3 and 4 have any common factors? The answer is no. 3 and 4 have no common factors. Do 5 and 7 have any common factors? The answer is no. So I just have to multiply straight across. And I get 21/20. I cannot leave this answer. I have to change it from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So I can see in this problem, 21, that there is the whole number 20 inside of the number 21. And after I take out that one whole, there's one left. So this number is 1 and 1/121. That is the answer to my division problem. If you notice, it's bigger than the number I started with. When I'm working with fractions, the opposite is true. Multiplying, you get a smaller number, and dividing, you get a larger number. It's pretty strange. Let's try another one. This time we're going to try 1 3/5 divided by 2 4/9. It's 9. There we go, 9ths. Equals. In order to do this problem, I cannot just divide these. I have to turn them into improper fractions first. So here I go. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 15. So I have 15/5. Over here, 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. So I have 22/9. Just like that. And I have a division sign here. So remember, I have to find the reciprocal now. So the reciprocal of 22/9 is 9/22. And I only flip one number, but because I flipped it, I find the opposite of division, which is multiplication. And I set up my problem like this. Again, I can ask myself, do I feel lucky? Are there any common factors here? No. Are there any common factors here? No. I just have to multiply straight across. 15 times 9. I have to do my work on the side if I'm not positive in my head. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. 135 over 22 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 11. 110. So my final answer is 135 over 110. Can I reduce it? Yes, I can. 5 goes into both of these. So how many times does 5 go into 135? Oh my goodness, it's a big number. 5 goes into 13 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. I subtract. 13 minus 10 is 3. Bring down my 5. 5 goes into 35 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. Yes! 35 minus 35 is 0. So this becomes 27. And now I have 110 divided by 5, because if I divide the numerator by 5, I have to divide the denominator by 5. So 110 divided by 5. 5 goes into 11 twice. 2 times 5 is 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Bring down my 0. 5 goes into 10 twice. So I have 22. 27 over 22, which is an improper fraction. I'm going to turn that into a mixed number. How many 22s are there inside 27? The answer is 1. So after I take away 22 from 27, I'm left over with 5 over 22, and this is my answer. So again, the steps for dividing fractions. Find the reciprocal. Change your sign to multiplication. You can still look for a shortcut, and if you feel lucky, multiply and simplify. Good luck. You can watch this video again. Good luck with your homework trying these problems.